In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI for finding trending YouTube channels about AI, education. So let's dive right in and explore this powerful tool step by step. First things first, you'll want to open up your favorite web browser and head over to Google. This might seem pretty basic, but it's where the journey begins. Once you're on Google's homepage, locate the search bar and type in Perplexity AI. As you enter this search query, you'll soon notice a list of results appearing. Your next step is to click on the official website link for Perplexity AI. Doing so will bring you directly to their platform where all the magic happens. Now that you've accessed the Perplexity AI website, it's time to craft your query. Think about what specifically you're hoping to discover. In this case, your goal is to find trending YouTube channels that focus on AI education. So enter a prompt such as, "Find trending YouTube channels about AI education" in the designated input area. Typing an effective prompt is crucial as it guides the AI in generating accurate and relevant results tailored to your needs. However, before hitting that submit button, there's a small but essential action you need to take. Look beside the submit button, and you'll see a globe icon. Give that a click. This directs the AI to gather insights from web-based resources, ensuring the information retrieved is as up-to-date and comprehensive as possible. Once you've done that, you'll want to click on Web. This selection helps refine the AI's search parameters, focusing specifically on web data, which is particularly important for finding current trends and active channels. The next crucial step is to select the model. Close to the Submit button, there's a model dropdown. Click on this, and from the options, choose GPT-5. This model is optimized for deep and nuanced understanding, providing you with a wider array of content sources and more precise findings. Finally, after selecting the web and choosing your model, you are ready to click Submit. This final action will trigger the AI search process, and before long, you should be presented with a list of trending YouTube channels dedicated to AI education. These channels can serve as valuable resources, whether you're looking to expand your understanding of AI, stay updated with the latest trends, or simply explore new learning opportunities. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive way to utilize Perplexity AI for your educational needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next video.